In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll feel confident creating and sending invoices to your customers directly from your CRM. First, sign into your Zoho CRM account and look at the left-hand navigation panel. Here, you'll see a variety of modules such as leads, contacts, and deals. What you want to look for is the Invoices tab. Depending on how your CRM is customized, it might be grouped under a More menu or appear directly in the main list. Go ahead and click on Invoices to open the Invoices module. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of any existing invoices. To create a new one, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled New or New Invoice, depending on your layout. This opens a blank invoice form where you'll enter all the necessary details. The first key piece of information is the customer. In the Customer field, click into the drop-down and select the appropriate account or contact. If your organization is integrated with Zoho Books, you may also have the option to add a new customer on the fly if they're not already in your system. When you do this, make sure basic details like the customer name and email address are accurate, since those will be used when you send the invoice. Next, scroll down to the Product Details or Line Items section. Click on Add Line Items. Here you'll search for the product or service you're billing for. Select the correct item, then enter the quantity. If you have multiple items, repeat this process for each one. Take a moment to verify that unit prices, taxes, and totals are correct, especially if your products have different tax rules or currencies. Now fill out the remaining invoice details. Set the invoice date and the due date. You can type them in or use the date picker, and in many setups, the due date can autofill based on your standard payment terms. Add a clear subject or description so the customer immediately understands what the invoice is for. In the Terms and Conditions or Notes area, include your payment terms, such as when payment is due and any late fees or preferred payment methods. If you need to include discounts or shipping charges, enter those in their respective fields so they're reflected correctly in the final total. When everything looks good, you have two options. If you want to double-check the details later or have someone else review it, click Save as Draft. This will store the invoice without sending it. If you're ready for the customer to receive it right away, click Save and Send. Zoho CRM will generate the invoice and open an email window where you can confirm the recipient address and message before sending. After you send, the invoice will be tracked in the Invoices module so you can easily follow up on payments and maintain a clear record of your billing activity.